In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Zoho Campaigns works to give you the best experience in managing your email and SMS campaigns. Let's dive in by exploring the dashboard, a centralized hub where you'll gain quick access to your campaign stats. Here, you'll find a clear snapshot of what's going on with your campaigns, helping you to stay informed of their performance without digging through pages of data. It's a fantastic starting point each time you log in. Now, managing your contacts is crucial, and Zoho Campaigns makes this process seamless. Head over to the Contacts section, the place where you can efficiently manage lists, segments, and topics. This powerful tool allows you to organize your audience into different lists or even segments, enabling you to target your campaigns more precisely. And by setting up topics, you're ensuring your communication is relevant, as subscribers can choose what information they're interested in receiving from you. This focus on proper list management will ultimately lead to more successful campaigns. Once your contacts are neatly organized, it's time to jump into creating campaigns. Under the Campaigns tab, you can craft and dispatch email or SMS campaigns. Whether you're drafting an engaging newsletter or a quick SMS alert, this tool offers you flexibility. Take the time to utilize the design templates available, or if you're feeling creative, start from scratch and design a campaign that suits your brand's voice. Remember, the key to a successful campaign is not just what you say, but how you say it. So use the tools wisely to captivate your audience. With your campaign setup, you can enhance their effectiveness through automation. In the Automation section, Zoho Campaigns lets you build workflows, such as drip sequences and topic assignments. This feature is especially helpful for nurturing leads or maintaining ongoing communication without needing to monitor every process manually. For instance, a drip sequence can automatically send a series of emails based on a user's action or time intervals. Therefore, automation not only saves you time, but also keeps your audience engaged systematically. Monitoring your campaign's performance is vital, and that's where the Reports section comes in. With this feature, you can track how your campaigns are doing, analyzing open rates, click-through rates, and other important metrics. This insight is invaluable, as it guides you in refining your strategies to achieve better results. By carefully evaluating these reports, you can adjust your campaigns as needed to ensure continuous improvement. Finally, make sure you visit the Settings section to configure essential elements like authentication, templates, sender details, and compliance. Proper configuration here ensures that your campaigns are not only visually appealing, but also compliant with industry standards and regulations. This diligent setup helps protect your reputation and maintain trust with your audience. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how Zoho Campaigns operates, offering you the tools to manage, create, and enhance your marketing efforts effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough empowers you to get the most out of Zoho Campaigns.